There are three major concepts that attempt to balance a creator's rights with encouraging them to share and allow others to use their creations. These concepts are fair use, Creative Commons, and public domain. Fair use is a concept that lets people use copyrighted material in a limited way and only in certain settings, such as educational and not-for-profit organizations. The idea is there's a fair way to use content without infringing on the creator's rights. Determining if content is being used fairly depends on what it is it's being used for, the amount that it's being used, and the impact that using it will have on the value of the original work. As the term fair use suggests, the use needs to be fair to the creator. Creative Commons, on the other hand, is a licensing system run by an international organization. It allows creators to give people licenses to use, modify, or share their work under certain conditions. Under this license, you don't need to get permission from the creator because they've already provided it by setting up the license, but you do need to follow the rules that they've set out. And finally, public domain means that the intellectual content or the creative work is considered to be owned by the public, so it's fair game. This can happen when a copyright, a trademark, or a patent expires. Anyone can then use the work without permission or a license. So as you can see, intellectual property is important. It sets out the rules that encourage and make it fair for people to come up with new ideas, creations, and inventions, and to share those ideas with the world. Because who knows? You might be one of them one day, and it just wouldn't be right for someone else to steal your work.